Hey yo, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. On today's episode, I'm gonna actually do a short one today. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna be repainting this Porsche Boxster, by the way, if you haven't noticed. I'm gonna be repainting this whole quarter and actually probably this whole side. Got some dents here we need to take care of. There's some major scratching up here at the top of this quarter panel. And what I wanna do is I wanna try out a few different things. I've bought some of this compound from chemical guys, got some different pads, got some sanding paper, and I'm gonna try just a few different things to see what I can do to take care of these scratches. They're pretty deep. I'll get a close up here in a second so you guys can see. Pretty amazing how deep they are. It looks like it's all just on the clear coat, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Why not? You're gonna have to repaint it anyway. Let's go to it. Okay guys, I'm trying to get in here so you guys can see this. Hopefully this is coming good on the camera, but man, these are some deep scratches in here. You know, I don't know what the heck happened here in the accident, but man, these are deep. But again, they're not so deep that they've taken part of the paint off. So it looks like it's all clear coat. Let's give it a shot. Now there are a couple minor dents right in here and right here. I don't know if you can get that on the camera or not, but yeah, it's pretty good here. So let's give this a shot. Like I said, I'm gonna use a little sandpaper and then we'll use some compound. And this is what I have. Let's get some light on that. So the V36 paint correction cutting polish by chemical guys, and then I'm going to follow that up with a V39 finishing polish. And I also have just a huge assortment of different sandpaper here. So I'm going to start out with an 800, then 1000, 1500, 2000, and 3000. See if that does it. If I can't get enough bite on this with the 800, then I may have to go a little bit lower, maybe 600 or 400, but I really don't want to go that low because I do want to see if I can polish this out. All right, let me set up the camera here. I'll start doing some sanding. I'm going to try to do one side of this first, maybe hit this side right here on the towards the front, and then see how that works before I do it all. Okay, let's get started on this. I've got some water rag here. I got my sandpaper. Let's give her a shot. Okay, it looks like the 800 has got the scratches out, the heavy scratches out. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go down to 1000. I'm gonna go to 1500, 2000, then 3000. Then we'll hit the polishes. So I probably won't tape all that, but I'll come back and show you guys the results. Maybe when we start getting to the polishing. Okay, let's hit this with 1000. Now going 2000. Okay, now hitting 3,000. All right, I think we're ready to start with the polish. Okay team, we're gonna start off with this V36 cutting polish from Chemical Boys, or Chemical Guys, boys. So we'll give this a shot here on this first one and see what she does. Probably hard to see on the camera, but it almost looks like I might have gone too far through the clear coat on a few of these spots. Like I said, I'm gonna be repainting this. This is just kind of trial and error, so let's give it another shot with cutting compound and then we'll try some polishing compound. Well, for what it's worth, I think it's coming out okay. Like I said, I think I got a little bit too deep here and not a lot of clear coat left right there. But let's go ahead and try the polish, see how that works. All right guys, now we're going with the V38 finishing polish by Chemical Guys. Pretty happy so far with the way things are turning out. Hopefully this puts a little cherry on the top. Woo! That's not looking too bad. Tell you what, the spots where I think I got a little too deep didn't look that bad either. Gonna give her another run. I'll tell you one thing, boys, the scratches are definitely out. Again, still see if you get the light just right, you can see a little bit here. I probably went a little too deep on the clear coat. Gotta live and learn on that one, I guess. All right, let me grab the camera and come in a little bit closer. Okay, I don't know if you can see this in here now. Maybe get a little bit closer. Right here. Right in here is where I'm seeing the issue. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But other than that, I mean, all the other scratches are out. Looking way better. I hadn't planned on painting this. This just might about do. You can still see some tiny scratches in it, so may have not gotten all of that out when I was doing the sanding. But like they say, practice is perfect. Let's see. All right. Hey guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. For all intents and purposes, I think this turned out really good. Again, a little too much on the clear coat right around in here, but if you look at it, it's gotta be in the right light to see it. And I tell you what, it's a hell of a lot better than all of those scratches that were on there. Whoa, hold up. This, although it is better than the scratches all over it, is not good. I'm not happy with it. I slept on it overnight and came out and looked at it again this morning. And like I said, the scratches are gone, so that looks good, but there's just all these micro scratches and everything. I did not do a good job on the sanding piece. So I will go back and try to see if I can make this a little bit better. Maybe start off with 2,000 and then do a 3,000 and then do a rebuff. But overall, yes, got the scratches out, looks decent, but not good, not Portie's garage good, so we are gonna fix that up. So just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that. So if you guys like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.